So hello all, and welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed my last vlog of the airfield, and I think I've given it a break there for a while, and I've decided to head out tonight to visit a new fox cub den or earth. I was walking the dogs the other night and I was fortunate enough to come 4 foot away to a young fox. Got the fright of his life, and obviously with my 2 dogs, but it was magnificent to see. I came up last night and did a bit of a recce with the camera, and I caught the fox coming in with some food, and the youngster ran out to greet it. It was a beautiful sight, unfortunately too far away for any shots. So I've just been to pick up, excuse the heavy breathing, I've got a 600 with a pro body and another pro body in the back. I've got my bag hide and a rather heavy tripod. So yeah, I've just picked the hide up that's been in the woodlands there, near where the badger set is, and I've had no luck there this year. So move that on and then get this hide set up and wait for a bit, and hopefully get to see some fox action tonight. Anyway, I'll see you when I'm there, unless out of breath. So this is currently where I've seen the fox cub before on the walk, when it was just inside this fenced area here, and there's a little run all the way along, and there's earth, and its den is just a little bit further up. So I was walking along this way, and yeah, I think I flushed it just up here where this fence is, and it was just there eating a rabbit kill, and yeah, it went right back into its earth. But yeah, wonderful sight to see. So hopefully, fingers crossed, later we may get to see it. So as you can see, I'm currently now set up in the pop-up hide. I've got the hood balaclava on, which vastly improves my looks. So I'm sure you're not going to miss my face, but yeah, so I'm set up in the bag hide, and I'm actually at the moment, the wind's changed opposite direction, so I'm now obviously downwind, and you can just see about over there in the distance there's a cattle trough there, and last night the fox came in with some food straight into the earth or den, which I think is behind a load of gorse trees, and it basically dropped the prey, came straight back out with a cub behind, trailing away, jumping up and play fighting with his dad, which was lovely to see. And I was far too far away for it, so I got to witness quite a lot of distance behaviour, but because the grass is getting quite long, I was lying down, I had no way of actually seeing what was going on. So tonight, I'm not sure how this is going to work. It's not really the best thing of just erecting this pop-up hide straight away in the middle of a field. I mean, they will notice something is definitely different, but the farmer puts a lot of troughs and a lot of vehicles and stuff like that in it, so they're used to seeing odd objects. So I'm hoping tonight they'll see it and just carry on. But yeah, I've still got probably an hour or so until they'll probably show themselves. Last night they came out about, I think it was roughly about sort of 7:10. The night before, when I saw the fox, was about 20 to 7, so I'm hoping maybe might get a glimmer tonight, but we just have to wait and see. So I've just seen the fox emerge right where I was positioned the other night. It's had a good look at me. It's not sure. It's sort of came close, gauged to see if I was moving or not. Came in again and then sort of moved off a little bit. It's working its way up the fence line. So I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm hoping just stay here, be patient, and hopefully get just rewards. But it's great to see the fox straight away, and it's actually quite early still. So anyway, hope for a bit more action a bit later.
it's still quite bright contrasty in the sky. The wind's coming right towards me. The sun is here. It's going to come that way, pretty much right at me. But I've got no other way of doing it. I can't position myself up that way because the wind's in the wrong direction. I can't position myself in more shade because that's where the run is, where the foxes live, so I'm kind of stuffed. But there's a hedge that runs along, and when the sun dips down low enough, it should go into the hedge and give me a bit of light through the hedge, but not directly at the camera. It's a bit tricky, but it's good for video. Just not great for stills, but it's got to work with what the environmental conditions dictate, really. So we just got to go with it, and if not, just enjoy it watching, really. Anyway, I've got to be relatively quiet here because that fox knows something's odd here. So this is obviously my view to the forest. Now this is where the male fox was coming through last night with a rabbit, making his way all the way across the field, straight back to the earth. So the current setup tonight, I've got the Canon 5 DSR currently set with the 600mm, so I've got the 1.3 crop on there at the moment to give me that little bit tighter image. It's still at 33 million pixels. I've got the 1DX body in the bag because when the light fails, and this isn't good in low light, I can switch the bodies over. Trouble with the 1DX is that the shutter's so noisy, but there is quite a strong wind right at me, so it might mask a bit of that, but this thing is so quiet, well, quiet as DSLRs go. I'm hoping that maybe I can keep on to this as long as I can, really. So just had a carrion crow come in now for a drink, and there's another one. It's quite great, really, if you have any water source anywhere. Birds and mammals will always come and use it, and they might be crows, but they're beautiful to watch and so intelligent, absolutely lovely. And this is where the foxes were drinking the night before. So it's been about half an hour since my last vlog, and all is still quiet. I think that fox cub was a bit spooked by my presence in the hide, but I'm sure it's watching me from a distance, just working out if I'm moving or not. So I'm doing as much as I can to stay still and not move. It should get pretty used to me and go about its business when I'm no longer a threat, but the wind is certainly in my favour. I'm just hoping when the fox adult comes back with some food that he's not going to run in the opposite direction. We'll have to see, but fingers crossed. There's still a nice bit of light now. Got a bit of side lighting coming in, so it should just illuminate them lovely, and it's not so harsh now. There's a little bit of cloud in the sky. Just got to keep scanning and looking, make sure you don't miss a thing. They stick out quite well, really, amongst the hedgerow there. Quite very, very orange, beautiful fur colour at this time of the year. For obviously the adult foxes, but the fox cubs are something else. They're just absolutely superb. They really do look lovely. So far here I've only seen the one fox cub. Generally they have like 4 to 5, and sometimes 6 in places like the New Forest. So I've only seen one, which is unusual, but hoping to maybe see a couple more a bit later. So it's been really quite quiet this evening. Not a great deal to report so far. The sun has now dipped behind the hedge, so the light levels have gone. So, but I'm now shooting with the 1DX now, which is so much better at coping with low light and the ISO levels. When I bump them up, the image is actually still pretty clean. So yeah, I'm hanging on for another half hour. Also probably do a little bit of video if I can. Got a little bit of video so far of the Fox Cub, but it's quite way off. So no, it's been nice, you know, just to case it out really. This is only the second time I've visited this site, so had a nice close encounter with a carrion crow, which is came foraging about 6 foot away from the hide, but it's, you know, it's just great to be out and about really. It's I'm still hopeful. I've still got a gut feeling that I might see something coming out, so it's just worth just hanging on that little bit longer. I always, if I say right, I'm staying till another half an hour, say till 9 o'clock, then I always stay 5 minutes over, just in case. Because years ago, I used to leave at say 9 o'clock, and like a minute later, something pops out. So now I always stay 5 minutes over. Sounds daft, but it's just habit. But anyway, I better stop talking and get back to keeping my eye out. Okay, it's getting pretty dark now. It's 9 o'clock, and the little fox has just popped his head out. You can see that at an angle there, but it's quite a far away. It looked out and saw me, I think, and then decided to head back in. It's just not sure what I am. The wind's right, I'm camped up. It's just, it seems to be again just a single fox cub. But I'm not going to stay too long. Because if they're adults have got food and this is their way across the field to get back to the young, then, you know, I'm going to be hindering them getting fed. So I'm going to head off in a moment and leave these guys to carry on as normal. I don't like to intervene too much. I've just seen, I think, yeah, it's just a couple of rabbits have just popped out. But the light levels are pretty bad now, so I'm gonna probably call it a day. I've got a pork stir fry at home waiting for me, so, and my belly's rumbling, so I'll sign off for now. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and just remember, if you do want to see more, click that subscribe button, like, comment, and maybe even share. But thanks again, and I'll see you all next time.
So out comes the fox cub is out now, looking across there, like something's going on. The light is really going now. It's not sure. It's starting to move off, I think. It's going to move. Yeah, off it goes. Little fox cub, bless it. Seems to have gone to cover. That'll be why. There's the adult fox. Looks like it's obviously communicating and telling the youngster to go to cover because they're not quite sure. He's back, obviously got his eyes on me.